In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. So if you've deleted an app on your iPhone and want to find it again, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. So first, what you need to do is to unlock your iPhone and next open the App Store. So wait for it to load. And now once you're inside the App Store, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Now, after tapping your profile, you'll be taken to your account page. Now, in here, look for the option called Apps, then tap on it. Now, up here, you have two tabs. You have all. Next, what you need to do is to tap Not on this iPhone. Now, this section is very important because it shows all the apps that are not currently installed on your device. So, including the ones you have deleted. Now, scroll through the list and look for the app that you want to find or you want to download again. If you have lots of apps, you can also use the search bar up here to quickly locate this specific app. So just type in the name of the app. Now, once you find the app, you'll see a cloud icon next to it. So to restore the app, simply tap the cloud icon and it will start downloading back onto your iPhone. So wait for the app to install, and once it's done, you can open it just like before. So keep in mind that even the app was paid before, you don't need to buy it again as long as you're using the same Apple ID. So to summarize, open the App Store. So tap on your profile, tap on Apps, and tap Not on this iPhone, and click the iCloud button to download it again. And that's it. That's how you can find deleted apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.